Hello guys, what's up? So in this video, I'll be teaching you how to install Java in your computer. Java IDE, yeah. So IDE is like this where you typically write your codes in it, like programmers like me. And also I will be teaching you how to create a project, set up an environment, and yeah, the very basic of programming, which is we typically all know, which is the hello world. So yeah, without further ado, let's hop right into it. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go to this website. It's called eclipse.org. Downloads packages, blah blah blah. And then, yeah, don't worry, I will provide the link down in the description below, so you guys could check it out later in the video, or you will want to install it with me. So yeah, as soon as you're in the website, you might wanna go scroll down and look for this button, download 86 and 64, 86 underscore 64. Go click on that, then click download. Yeah. So as you can see, I already have one installed in mine. This it asks you which is your desired directory, is where do you want your software to be installed, but as you can see, mine is already up installed. So I just want to skip this process. So assuming that you already have downloaded this installer, you might want to run that. Yeah, you should be prompted to be asked what kind of programmer or libraries to be installed. You should be picking this Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Yes, and then to the installation folder, you might want to customize this one because I do want to customize this one because it is typically where I store my important files in the D drive. So I'll select it. I might want to create a folder named Java. Wait. Java IDE. Yes. Then click install. Then accept. Let the software do its job. Okay, this may take a while. Okay, so assuming that you have that patience to wait that long, without further ado, let's go launch this Eclipse. Oh wow, last time I saw it wasn't like this. Select directories workspace. Okay, so I want it to be here in C drive, and I want to launch this now. Just click launch. Wow, the new image. Last time, in the previous versions, wasn't like that. Okay, so what do we have here? This offender. Okay, if this prompt. Oh, wait. There's a redirection. Sorry. You may want to cancel this one if this appears in your IDE. So IDE. Full screen, let's go. Yeah, let's close this one. So let's go set up your environment now. Let's create your first project. So in here, you might wanna go to your left upper left here, and then create Java project. Then project name, let's say hello, or first project. Let's say first project would be fine. Okay, first project. Okay, so this is actually where you store your codes and packages for whatever you do in your coding stuff. This is the folder to like store files. Actually, there's one thing I need to tell you. There's like a file in here. Let's say a calendar program, or registration system, or GUI, this which means graphical user interface. You could migrate this folder to another computer just by using flash drives. So yeah, so there's a drop down here, drop down button here. You might wanna go click that, and here in SRC, I mean here, wait, let me check some. I don't know if I remember this right. So yeah, here in SRC, you might wanna go into the new and package 1. Let's say package 1, and then in the package 1, you might wanna create a new class, a class named hello world, and then you might want to click this public static void main string args method. Finish. Okay, so we're good to go. We already have our own, we already set up our own environment. So in public static void main string args, I want to teach you how to print hello world. So this is where we go type system dot out dot print hello world. Okay, so this is hello world. How can we know that the program is working? So this is where you might want to go down this play button, run hello world Java. Yes, I want to run that. Then always save source before launching. Okay. Here, as you can see, it prints hello world. It prints whatever I want to print. I mean, just inside this parameter. Let's say subscribe to my channel. Then I want to run this. Here, it shows in my console that my program or my code is working. So how about we create a variable? I forgot to mention, maybe I'll discuss this another video about variables, but let's just try this for now. String name, and let's put a value JHNLV. Yeah, I mean, in general rule, actually in Java, you have to use, in every line of code or every end of your code, I should be writing this I don't know what to call this, semicolon with the comma in the end. Yeah, you always have to put that, because that states like an period in your sentence. So there's nothing like that, it will show an error. So string name GHLV. Then what if I want to print this GHLV? Should I print the word specifically, or should I print this variable? Of course, the answer is obvious. You want to print this variable that contains JHL and V. So let's go run that. Yeah, it still works. There's one thing I also want to know, that I want you to know that the string consists of characters. There's so many type of data types that out there. You can just search it up, but I don't I do not say that I memorize them all, or I know them all. Just know the most basic commons, which is name. I mean, string is for text. Okay, let me put it down here. String is for text. Then int is for number. Int is for number. Char is for single letter characters. Single letter characters, and then boolean. We also have the boolean, which corresponds to true and false, true or false, Yeah, and then the float, a number that has a decimal value. Float. Yeah, like that. So we just need to, just share it out and then. But the first thing I would just want to, teach you right now is how to print simple program, which is hello world. Hello world. There. Let's go. Okay, so yeah, let me put this console terminal here in our right side, so we can see it clearly. So as I have explained earlier, you know that string determines the text, right? The text variable. So this is what you call data type string. When declaring a variable is, variable naming is up to you, but I would use a proper conventional naming. You just make sure that you put the data type first, string in for number, but let's say string first because this is the thing that I will show you, that I will teach you for now. String name, let's say name. Yeah, so there's also a thing I wanted to teach you, which is called concatenation. So what is concatenation? As far as I know, concatenation is the basic combination of a specific, like specific user input here and the variable that we declare, the value that contains with it. So how about if I want to print hello world JHNLV? How should I do that? We should add operator name. It's an operator plus, right? Plus. Should I type this one or the variable? Actually, it works both, but the best practice would be concatenation among the variables. So the input here would be hello world JEHLNV. Yeah, why I did put name in here, but why is the JHLV is the one who showed up in console? You can see, as you can see in here in name, the name variable consists of a data here assigned with JHNLV. So if I concatenate this one, yeah, the process of concatenation is the combination hello world plus the assigned value to the variable, which is JHLLV. So the output would be hello world JHNLV. So yeah, that's as simple as that. Okay, so how about I teach you another example of concatenation, but we will be using integers right now. A number, which is I taught you earlier, int, and then a variable name, blah blah blah. Let's concatenate it all together. So how about name for let's say John Doe, and then an age of, okay, don't forget to input the data type first. Int age, I would like John Doe to be 18 years. Oh no, wait 18. Okay, so there's also general rule when writing, like specific assign to the variables. You can't, put this in the parentheses, cause that only works on string variables. This is a number, an integer, so it doesn't work like that. What if I wanted to print hello, my name is John Doe and I am 18 years old? Can you already guess the answer or the code? If yes, then that's great for you, and if it's not, I will make it for you. Okay, so what's that again? Hello, my name is, let's do the concatenation, plus name, plus name. Hello, my name is John Doe and my age is, plus, wait, let's arrange this, and my age is hello, my name is John Doe, and my age is plus. Then what should I put in here? Of course, this one. That's correct. Age. So I put this age. Let's go. Moment of truth. Okay, it works. Hello, my name is John Doe and my age is 18. Hooray. Clap, clap, clap. Okay, so how about we try to, combine two values into a single variable, like let's say string first name will be equals to John, and string last name will be equals to Doe. And let's create another. Okay, so there's an error in here saying that name cannot be resolved to a variable. Yes, because there's no variable that exists that name and age doesn't exist anymore because I deleted it. And how about let's try to combine these two into a single variable. Let's you can also do concatenation for variables. So okay, so let me show you how it works. So it would be like this: string result will be equals to the combination of first name and last name. Yeah, last name. There. Okay, so my hello. Let's change the statement here. Okay, my first name is. No, that's not the right sentence. My name is result. Ay, no. My name is result. And let's go. Oh, my bad. There's an error in here. Oh, okay. Result gonna be. Okay, yes, I get it. There is also a general rule. This is very important in programming. This is what you call variable scoping. So what is variable scoping? It is the range of your variables that which can be recognized in your code. So in here you see result can't be resolved to a variable because the code runs from top to bottom, but as you can see there's no result variable in here in this line 10 on his top because it exists down below in it. So you see it doesn't recognize it. So what do we need to do is place it to the top so that it's recognizable now, because as I said earlier, the code runs from top to bottom. Okay, let's go. My name is John Doe. Why John Doe? Because in the result variable, the first name and the last name was concatenated. The first name that contains John was concatenated to the last name that contains Joe. So putting this all together in this variable result, and the result contains these two. So if you print it will show the result of John Doe. Okay, so guys, I have a challenge for you. Let's see if you learned anything from what I taught you. Okay, so the challenge will be this one. Pop quiz. Make a concatenation that states the following. Jay is 20 years old and currently lives in Japan. In his life, he realized that whatever you do in this exact moment changes the life of your future self. Okay, so use the right corresponding variables in each highlighted text. A sample of string name text, age in age number. So here in the highlighted text, you should make a variable that stores this data. Yeah, so if you can do it, I mean, you can pause down this video, and if it's not, then let's make it together. Alright, so without further ado, let's make this now. Let's do it. So okay, so the okay, so let's say the string name is text. Let me delete this. Let's make a fresh one. So the first highlighted text is 20. So what is that data type? Of course, it's number. So I will put int or what, and variable name, whatever you want to call it. I want to call it age because that's the right term. Age 20. Then the semicolon, and then the second highlighted text is Japan. That's a string. Let's say country. String country, and that will be Japan. The next is life. String, let's say string text. That would be the right one. And then life. So how should you concatenate this all? So this will be easy. That's right. System dot out dot print. System dot out dot print. Okay, let's print the j is plus age. Yeah, age 20. So that builds us the word j is 20 plus years old, and currently lives in Japan. Okay. And let's go to the other line. And currently lives in Japan. And currently lives in Japan. Currently lives in Japan. Oh no, this is wrong. Should be lives in country. And let's go to the other line. Oh wait, there's an error. Wait, let me go. Let's concatenate this again. Country Japan. In his life he realized that whatever you do in this exact moment, whatever you do in this exact moment changes the life of your future self, plus changes the text that contains life, changes the life of your future self. Oh, I forgot. Of your future self. There you go. Okay, let me see the output. Oh wait, yeah, as you can see, it writes in one line of code. So let's use the system.out.print line. Okay, so system out system.out.print line print ln. What does this do is that it makes your output go down in another line instead of taking up just only one. So this will be lives in country. Let me see. There. So your girl lives in Japan. There's no space. Let's put a space in here. Okay, wait. There. Jay is 20 years old and currently lives in Japan. Okay, lives in his life. lives in Japan. Let's remove this. I'm sorry. There. Yeah, Jay is, there you go. Jay is 20 years old and currently lives in Japan. In his life, he realized that whatever you do in this exact moment, then what's the next? Changes the life of your future self. Let's just copy this line of code. Okay, let's copy this line of code. Changes your future self, right? Changes your future self. There, perfect. Jay is 20 years old and currently lives in Japan. In his life, he realized that whatever you do in this exact moment changes your future self. Perfect. And I apply the rules that states in here. Use the right corresponding variables in each highlighted text. So, Jay is age 20 years old and currently lives in country that states Japan. In his life, that in his in his life. So this would be, let me fix that for you. Plus text plus there, in his life, in his text, which is life, realize that whatever you do in this exact moment changes your future self. Okay, so that's it guys for today's video. If you like this one, just click that notification bell and subscribe to my channel. I'm only starting, so your support would be highly appreciated. And then yeah, that's it. Have a nice day everyone, and thank you very much. Bye bye.